Event number 4 of the Season 13 Championship is here today. It's the Gravitrax Pursuit. How it works, you just go down the track and try to see if you you basically have to get down the course as fast as you can. So first place, second place, first place gets 8, second place gets 7, third place gets 6, and so on. And that's not the standing. You see? The red powders. Team Amphibian will go into second. Honey the third. Shamrock is going to jump over fourth. And if we knock down there, Typos and Asteroids. How about stand up? Give me a second here. Okay, let's continue. You see here, we have Red Powders, Night Fighters, Asteroids, and Team Amphibian. And we are! Night Fighters are in front. And it looks like, oh wait! Well, Asteroids are definitely out. So that's confirmed. As a just win a gold medal. But I believe Red Powders are Night Fighters. And as we hear from Stuart, that is exactly what it is. Team Amphibian and Asteroids, we are sorry to say they will no longer go any further in this competition. Or this, well, not in the competition, just this event alone. Third battle of the Asteroids, who just got a gold medal last event and are now out. Blazers, Sea Occidentals, Honeybees, and Green Mowers. And we are. I believe it's Blazers in front. And it will be Blazers and Honeybees. Sea Occidentals are out. So are the Green Mowers. So Honeybees and Blazers will be versing. I'm sorry guys, I keep saying ketchup. This is just gonna get old for me. But yeah, Red Powders, Night Fighters, Honeybees, and Blazers will be in Heat 1. Now next heat, we have Lavenders, Shamrockers, Burning Flares, Wojo Rollers. And now we are officially on the Lavenders on in front. It continues to be the Lavenders and they will easily advance. Second place. Oh, there it is. Burning Flares. And it's a tie between Shamrock and the Wojo Rollers. But this Wojo Rollers made it first. Wojo Rollers will. Well, Wojo Rollers will advance. So Shamrockers are out. So the semi-finals 2 will consist of Burning Flares and Lavenders so far. We just have to determine who the next team is. The Advancing Wisdom. Here we go. Tree Trunks, Tide Pools, Bananas, and Trash Bags. Oh, tables, I believe. The back-to-back. As I believe will be the Bananas. And there it is! The tables have advanced and Bananas will somehow get the victory. Tables will advance with them. Trash Bags will get third, but they will be probably low in the order with this event. Tree Trunks will get last. And there you go, 9 through 16, so right there. Asteroid 14. This is just not going their way right now. Other than that gold medal they got last event, it's been 16s, 15s, and 14s for them. And Sea Occidentals, who had trouble last season, they're back in their pack again. But here we go. We're going to start the semi-finals, guys. Here we go. Red Powders, Blazers, Night Fighters, and Honeybees. We are off. Who are we winning so far? And it'll be the Red Powders and Night Fighters who will advance out of this heat. Honeybees did try, but it was a bit too late. But Red Powders and Night Fighters, especially the Night Fighters, they are looking really good in this event. Maybe this is their event. But now we got Lavenders, Burning Flares, Bananas, and the Tide Pools. And we're off. I believe it's the Lavenders in front. And they will advance with Burning Flares. So Burning Flares were able to hold off. Well, that's what they say. Again, timing and scoring could be wrong, but they are usually not. But anyway, here's the York Stadium. That's 5th charades. But the Lavenders did end up getting in 5th, so it's not the worst in the world. Tide Pools 8th. So that's not bad, I guess. But here we go, the gold medal match. Bananas, Night Fighters, Burning Flares, and the Red Powders. Who got the gold? And we are off. Night Fighters, I believe we are in the lead. Oh, going backwards, but I don't think that's going to affect it. Let's look at the standings. And yes, Night Fighters have captured the gold. Bananas will capture the silver. Well, the Red Powders were able to hold off for the bronze, and Burning Flares dead last. But there you are, the Night Fighters get the gold in front of Bananas. Red Powders will get third. The Night Fighters, is this their comeback? Or is this where their downfall begins? Remember, they have won 2 championships before this season. So can this be their third? Let's find out in the next event. And a brand new event as well, which is going to be Zone Collision. We'll see you for that.